So there's certain components you need to actually mine crypto with a kite. First of all, you need a kite. Second of all, you need a device to mine the crypto. We're using Helium, HNT. Well, you need a Helium miner so you can mine HNT. Second of all, you need a very long wire to put up there in the kite. You're gonna need a solar panel down at the ground with a battery so you can power up your hotspot. And not to forget, you're gonna need portable hotspot, something that'll give you internet. So then you could get internet in remote locations like this. And then you need a solar powered box so then you get electricity so you can power up your electronic devices. So that's pretty much what it entails. I'm still waiting on parts and items and stuff, so until then I can't do the test. But test one, flying the kite, is successful. Next thing we're gonna do, maybe upgrade the spools, maybe different cables, because this one doesn't look like it's gonna do too well. And this is not probably the right way how to tie a knot to the spool, but it's working for now. Oh yeah. If it snaps, I guess I won't have to chase the kite. Like and subscribe, stay tuned. Razi Grow, where we make the impossible possible.